Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Ravioli Meatball Casserole in the Power XL Air Fryer Grill Combo. Alright guys, this is going to be a quick and easy meal tonight. I have my Power XL set on a saute setting at 212, that's the highest setting. I'm going to start by adding some frozen cheese ravioli. Now this here is a big 48 ounce bag of ravioli. You can get away with half that size, it's just I'm cooking for an army tonight. I'm going to get them down in there. See, that's a mess of them. And like I said, I have this preheating, so you hear a little bit of sizzle of those frozen ravioli going into the hot pan. Now let me get a knife to open these meatballs. Now this here is a 26 ounce bag of frozen meatballs. I'm using the Italian style, the pork and beef. And I have a 30 ounce jar of pasta sauce. I'm going to get in there. And I'm going to put a little bit of water in my jar and rinse it out. I only put about that much in, guys, just about not even a quarter of the jar. I dump that down in there. Oh, and I'm going to put my glass lid on here, the one that came with it. I'm going to allow that to get cooking. If it gets too hot, I'll turn the temperature back some. I'm going to let that go for probably about a half hour, 45 minutes, so everything heats through. Alright guys, I left this go for 45 minutes. I must confess, I added a second jar of sauce because I used so much pasta. But if you only use the normal amount of pasta, which is, I forget what I told you in the beginning, you'll be go with 1 jar of pasta sauce. I have some shredded mozzarella cheese here. I'm going to get this down on top here. You can see this is cooking nicely, bubbling. It's going to take a while to come up to a simmer, so don't panic, because I was afraid that it wasn't going to cook because it was taking so long, but it reached temperature. And this is 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. And I have a little bit of extra mozzarella cheese here I have to use up. Like I always say, more cheese, more better. You can't go wrong with extra cheese. Unless you're my brother Terry, he hates cheese. And pasta, so go figure, he wouldn't eat this. Now you can do this 2 ways. You can put the lid back on there and allow this cheese to melt. But we're going to do it with the air fryer and get a nice browning on the cheese. So I'm going to cancel this. I'm going to close down my lid, make sure none of my cheese touches my element. And I'm going to set this for air fry. Now it's 375 for 18 minutes. I know it's not going to take 18 minutes. It's only going to be like 5 minutes, 5 to 8 minutes. So I'm going to set it for 8 minutes. And about 5 minutes into it, I'll check it. We want to like golden brown on it. We want the cheese melted. Alright guys, this one for 5 minutes. You can see how nice and toasted that cheese is. It really doesn't take long under the air fryer. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I went ahead and sprinkled a little bit of Italian seasoning on this for some color and a little extra flavor. Let me get in here and try one of these meatballs. You can see how nice and cheesy that is. Meatballs are heated through. Have a good Italian seasoning flavor. Try some of this cheese ravioli. Really good, cheesy. Guys, that's really delicious and it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Ravioli and meatball casserole in a Power XL Air Fryer Grill Combo. Thanks for watching. And remember, eat what you love and love what you eat.